Very good evening, children. Welcome back to Akshar online classes, NEET Foundation. Myself, Jansen, your biology teacher. Today we will discuss about the 8th class biology, microorganism, friend and foe. So microorganisms, friend and foe, that highlights of the point chapter at glance. Okay, microorganisms microorganisms are too small, are not visible to the unaided eye. Microorganisms, they can live in all kinds of the environment, ranging from ice cold climate to the hot springs and deserts to the marshy lands. Microorganisms are found in air, water and in the bodies of the plants and animals. Microorganisms may be unicellular or multicellular. Microorganisms include bacteria, fungi, protozoa, some algae. Viruses, though different, the above mentioned living organisms are considered microbes. Viruses are quite different from the other microorganisms. They reproduce only inside the host of the organism, bacterium or plant or animal cell. Some microorganisms are useful for the commercial production of the medicine and alcohol. Some microorganisms decompose the organic waste and dead plants and animals uh, into the simple substances and clean up the environment. Protozoa causes serious diseases like dysentery and malaria. Protozoa, they are closest to the dysentery and malaria. Some of the microorganisms, they can grow on our food and causes food poisoning. Some microorganisms reside in the root nodules of the leguminous plants. They can fix the fixed nitrogen in the air, in the air into the soil and increase the soil fertility. Some of the bacteria, blue-green algae, especially for the cyanobacteria present in the soil, fix the nitrogen from the atmosphere and convert into the nitrogenous compound. Certain bacteria convert the compounds of the nitrogen present in the soil into nitrogen gas, which released into the atmosphere. So, biodictionary about the microorganisms. First one is the algae, a large group of the simple plant-like organisms. Antibiotics, the chemical substances produced by the certain organisms, uses or kill other organisms, other disease-causing microorganisms. Antibodies, substances, special protein produced by the immune system, which kill the diseases causing microorganisms that enter our body. Okay, bacteria, small unicellular organisms which have the cell wall but do not have the organized nucleus. Carrier, so the insects or animals which transmit the disease causing microorganisms to the humans. Communicable diseases, the diseases which can spread from an infected to the healthy person through the air, water, food or physical contact is known as the communicable diseases. Next, fermentation. The process of the conversion of the sugar into the alcohol by the action of the yeast is called fermentation. Fungi. Hello. Very good evening, Mr. Avinash. It is audible to you?
Yes, sir.
What happened this much late? Actually, our class will start at 5:50. 5:50 to 6:35 our class timings. What I am saying, I don't want to say sorry. Example, what I am saying, our timings is the 5:50 to 6:35. Okay. Next time, exactly. If any problem is there with you, the school timings, any slashes, any problematic?
Up to 5:30 is this,
Up to 5:30 is the school, huh?
Yes, sir.
Where is what is your school name?
Montessori, sir.
Where it is? Lingapalle.
Tarapudi, sir. West
Ah.
Bengal.
West Godavari. Okay. Now these, for example, we will discuss this later. We have that worksheets is there. Microorganism can be seen with the help of dash. What is the answer? Microscope. Next, blue-green algae fix dash directly from the aid to the enhanced fertility of the soil. What is the answer?
Sir, could you read the question?
Blue-green algae fix dash directly from aid to enhance fertility of the soil. Nitrogen.
Yes, sir.
Alcohol is produced with the help of dash.
Sugar.
Yeast. Alcohol is produced with the help of dash. Yeast. Cholera is caused by dash. Bacteria, protozoa, virus, what? Cholera is caused by bacteria. Next. Here they are given. Yeast is used in the production of sugar, alcohol, hydrochloric acid, oxygen.
Alcohol.
The following is an antibiotic: sodium bicarbonate, streptomycin, alcohol, yeast. Streptomycin. Carrier of the malaria causing protozoan is female Anopheles mosquito, cockroach, housefly, butterfly. Female Anopheles mosquito. Female Anopheles mosquito. The most common carrier of the communicable diseases is ant, housefly, dragonfly, spider.
Housefly, sir.
Correct answer. Housefly. The bread or idli duff rises because of heat, grinding, growth of the yeast cell, kneading.
Grinding.
No. Growth of the yeast cell. Why? Because the fermentation process takes place there. Fermentation, that sugar is conversion into the conversion into the alcohol and release it to the carbon dioxide gas. The process of the conversion of the sugar into alcohol is called nitrogen fixation, molding, fermentation, infection.
Fermentation.
Fermentation, very good. Here bacteria, where that matching you can match bacteria. Bacteria is the causing to the cholera. Okay. Rhizobium what? Rhizobium fixing of the nitrogen.
Yes.
Lactobacillus what? Setting of the curd.
Yes.
Next, yeast what? Yeast. Yeast is the baking of bread. A protozoan what? Causing of the malaria.
Yes, sir.
A virus what? Causing of the virus.
Eggs.
Causing of the AIDS. So this is over now.
Yes, sir.
Next. Now you can see carrier organisms of the malaria causing protozoan is female Anopheles mosquito, female Culex mosquito, housefly, butterfly.
Option is
What is the answer? Female Anopheles mosquito. Female Anopheles mosquito. So option is the A. The most common carrier of the communicable diseases is ant, housefly, dragonfly, spider.
housefly.
Housefly is the correct answer. Housefly is the correct answer. A bacteria helpful in the digestion of the food is Escherichia coli, Clostridium botulinum, none of these. Escherichia coli. Botulinum is the food poisoning bacteria. Okay. Which factor helps in the rise of dosa duff? Heat, grinding, growth of the yeast cell, low pressure.
Growth of the yeast cells.
The method of the preserving food by adding salt is called salting, dehydration, canning, freezing.
Sorry.
The rod-shaped bacterium is called Bacillus coccus vibrio spirillum. Bacillus. Bacteria present in the root nodules of the pea plant. Escherichia coli, Plasmodium, Rhizobium, Penicillium. What is that?
Sir.
The bacteria present in the root nodules what? Rhizobium. Next, plants get their nitrogen from the soil is nitrates, nitrogen dioxide, nitrous oxide, nitric acid. Nitrates. What is that? Nitrates. Which one of the following is not a bacterial infection? Typhoid is a bacterial infection. Cholera is the bacterial. Gastroenteritis is the bacterial. Polio is not a bacterial disease, so that's why polio is caused by the virus. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next, which bacteria helps in the setting of the curd? Rhizobium, Lactobacillus, Vibrio, cholera, Bacillus. Lactobacillus. Lactobacillus helpful to the milk is converted into the curd. Next, AIDS is caused by. What is the meaning of AIDS? AIDS means acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. AIDS is caused by the HIV. HIV means what? Human immunovirus. Human immunovirus. Every year, December 1st is the National AIDS Day. National AIDS Day. Next, which of the following disease is caused by the bacteria? So, bacterial disease. Measles is the viral disease. Chickenpox is the viral disease. Polio is the viral disease. Tuberculosis only bacterial disease. So that's why answer is the tuberculosis. Which of the following is not used as a food preservator? Generally we are using to the food preservator salt, sugar, vinegar, methane not using. So that's why answer is the methane. The first scientist to describe the microorganism was Edward Jenner, Louis Pasteur, Alexander Fleming, Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. Anthony van Leeuwenhoek is the correct answer. Edward Jenner discovered to that vaccination. Louis Pasteur discovered to the pasteurization. Alexander Fleming discovered to that penicillin. Next continuation. Next 15th question. Common cold spread through air, water, direct contact, food. What is the answer?
A.
Air is the correct answer. Air is the correct answer. The microorganism which has the ability to fix the atmospheric nitrogen is Euglena, Rhizobium, Chlorella, yeast. What is the answer?
Chlorella.
Rhizobium is no Rhizobium legumineacearum. These are the root nodules. This plant provides to the shelter to the Rhizobium legumineacearum. This bacteria molecular nitrogen converted into the nitrate or nitrate form. Studied, no? Next, penicillin is extracted from algae, fungi, bacteria, yeast. What is the answer? Penicillin is extracted from fungus. Penicillium notatum. This Penicillium notatum we are getting from the fungi. Yeast is the unicellular organism which belongs to the group. So almost all the fungi is the multicellular organism, but yeast is the unicellular organism. This yeast belongs to the fungus phylum.
Okay, sir.
Next, malaria is caused by who? Protozoa, virus, algae, bacteria. So malaria is caused by the protozoan that is known as the Plasmodium. Female Anopheles mosquito is the carrier of the malaria disease. Mushrooms belongs to the category algae, virus, fungi, none of the above. That mushrooms also belongs to the fungi. Mushrooms also belongs to the fungi. Name 5 diseases caused by the viruses. Can you tell me? Measles, mumps, chickenpox, polio, hepatitis, coronavirus. These are all the diseases is caused by the virus. What is fermentation?
The process of yeast and sugar.
No. The process of conversion of the sugar into the alcohol is called fermentation. Next, name few common antibiotics which are made up of fungi and bacteria. Can you say the antibiotics names? Penicillium, streptomycin, erythromycin, tetracycline. So these are the antibiotics. You can write. What is microbiology? Study of the microorganisms is called microbiology. Study of the microorganisms is called microbiology. What are the communicable diseases? Give some example. Which of the diseases spread from the one person to the another person? That is known as the communicable diseases. Communicable diseases, common cold, cough, fever, these are. Next, mention the carrier organism that spread malaria and dengue fever. Female Anopheles mosquito is the carrier of the malaria and Culex mosquito is the carrier of the dengue fever. What are the preservatives? Give example. If that food substances we can store with the help of the preservative, sugar, salt, jams, these are all the examples of the food preservative. Name the disease caused by the protozoa and bacteria. Protozoal disease, malaria is caused by the Kala-Azar. These are the two diseases caused by the protozoa. Bacterial disease, cholera, typhoid, diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus. Okay, so these are all the diseases caused by the bacteria. What is the pasteurization? Who discovered this process? Preservation of the milk is called pasteurization. Pasteurization was discovered by the Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur. Why should we not let water collect anywhere in the neighborhood? Because if the water is present stored in that water, that mosquito they can grow and they can breed, and these breeders are the causing of the malaria disease. So that's why anywhere in our surroundings don't store the water.
Yes, sir.
Next, here they are given, you can see it. What is that? If the in the following question assertion A and reason R have been put forward, read the statement carefully and choose the correct alternative forms of the following. If the both A and R is true, R is the correct explanation, you can keep A. Both A and R is true but R is not correct explanation, you can keep B. A is true, R is false, C. A is false, R is true, you can keep the D. So first question, viruses are the barriers between the living organism and non-living organism. This is the true or false?
True.
True. Viruses can live only inside the host cell but they cannot live outside of the host cell. This is the correct?
No.
And true only.
Okay, sir.
So both of them true, but explanation is correct.
Both A and R true, but R is not explanation of A.
So that's why what is the option?
B.
We can keep B. Okay.
Okay.
Next question. Next question. First to be, by controlling of the mosquito population, we can prevent the spreading of the malaria. True or false?
Yes.
Yes. Mosquitoes are the vectors of the transmission of the malarial parasite from infected person to the healthy person.
Yes, sir.
So that's why both are true. Correct explanation it is?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. By controlling of the mosquito population, we can prevent the spreading of the disease. That is true. Mosquitoes are the vectors for the transmission of the malarial parasite from infected person to the healthy person. That is also true. That is also true. Next. Now see, microorganisms are considered as a friend and foe. True or false? Microorganisms are considered as a friend and foe.
Yes.
Microorganisms play an important role in our lives. Some of them are the beneficial in many ways, whereas some other are harmful and causes to the diseases. What is the answer? So both are that. Essential is true and reason also true. Yes or no? Correct explanation. Is it correct explanation or not?
Yes, sir.
So that's why option
A.
A. Next question. Microorganisms are used for the large scale production of alcohol.
No.
True. Microorganisms are used for the large scale production of the alcohol. Yes. Yeast is used to conversion of the sugar to alcohol. This is also true. So that's why both are option
A.
A. Next. 15th question. 15th question. Bacteria and fungi are used to make medicine.
Bacteria and fungi, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
No, sir.
No, na.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Bacteria and fungi are used to the make medicine. These medicine are used to the cure viral disease. So here this is the true, this is the false. So that's why option
C.
next 16th. The penicillin is used to antibiotic. Is it true or false?
True, sir.
Penicillin does not allow the growth of the bacteria.
Yes, sir.
So option
B. Yes.
some microbes are commonly called biological nitrogen fixers.
Yes.
Some bacteria and blue-green algae are able to fix nitrogen from the atmosphere to enrich the soil with nitrogen and increase the soil fertility.
Yes, sir.
So option
A.
salts and some edible oil are commonly called preservatives.
Yes.
Salts and edible oil are the common chemicals generally used to check growth of the microorganisms.
Yes.
Option
C.
next. Rhizobium bacteria has a symbiotic relationship with the leguminous plants.
Yes, sir.
Rhizobium lives in the root nodules of the leguminous plant. It is involved in the fixation of the microbes and make them available to the plants, whereas they provide shelter and nutrients to the bacteria. So both are the true. Explanation also correct. So that's why option.
A.
The method of the preservation of the milk, which involve the process of the heat followed by the quick cooling.
Yes.
The pasteurization process was discovered by the Louis Pasteur.
Yes, sir.
But correct explanation.
No, sir.
So that's why
B.
B. So these are the bits. Okay. So actually these are the last time. Actually here not discussed. So these are the bits all discussed. Okay. And what are the diagrams is there that you should practice. So total microorganisms lesson is explanation is over and practice the worksheets also over. Any doubts regarding the microorganisms?
Sir.
Yeah, yes.
Sir, once again, could you say who discovered penicillin?
Penicillin, Alexander Fleming. Next. Edward Jenner discovered the vaccination. Next, any doubts?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.